What is up, everyone? We're back here at Trey Wolf today, and you know what we're doing? We're gonna go to Anarchy Acres and find some rockets. And that is it, right, boys? We are back with Explosives Only Mode version 2. Alright, and we've got one victim, plus 2 victims. Was that a second one up there? A llama. We gotta go for our llama. No, it's my llama. Oh! That was embarrassing. Ah! A little premature detonation. It happens to everyone, boys. Oh, these are good llamas. This mode has good llamas. Well, I'm set as for rockets, that's for sure. Ow. Okay, everyone, we had to take a short break. Sorry about that. Jorge locked himself out of his room, so someone had to come and open up, and that guy just came.
Trey, is he done?
Yeah.
Okay.
Ooh. I think we'll leave that for now. Oh, hello. There's someone here. Oh, really? Wait, where'd they go? There you are. Come back here. Oh, it's too much fun. Anybody else out here? Ah, that poor soul. Oh well, boys. Did we what we had to do? And of course, we find a shield. Of course, we're out of the circle. Gotta get more rockets so we can do more guided rocket snipes. They will soon learn. They all will. Okay. Okay. Let's see what this guy had. Ooh, baby. Thank you for that. Okay. Nothing else. I really do want to keep the impulses, guys. I'm sorry. What is around here? Got some... Ooh. Ooh. More impulses. Thank you. Oh, shoot. Wrong one. That's an accident. Boys, we heard it through the grapevine. Oh no! Oh goodness! Oh, how did we not kill him, boys? Okay, we're gonna have to jump pad out of here. Just to be safe. 'Cause we heard it through the grapevine. Let's go check who's up in here. Knock on the door and tell him we're here. Hi! Ooh. You think we scared him? Hello! Bye! Bye, sir! Oh, this is too much fun. I'm having too much fun, boys. Too much fun to be legal. Where could another victim be? Okay, we're gonna go ahead and go. Ah, shoot. Oops, that was an accident. Could this be the one, boys? Could this be the one we win? I suggest we take Loot Lake for our own. We earned it. It's ours. We shall reap our rewards. I just hope there's nobody here. Ooh. Baby. Oh god, no. I don't think there's any traps in this mode, are there? Oh no. It's a good question. Y'all leave a comment down below if you found traps in this mode. I'll check right now. I don't have any traps. Here, we'll break this one because it's closest. We broke this poor man's freaking home. Oh, hello. Da 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 da. Bum ba da dum ba dum bum 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 ba bum 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 bum. Hi. Oh, you know he's paranoid. You know he's paranoid, boys. Oh. Those might have been rogues. Ah! I don't think they know where we are. Come on, we gotta get this one. We're actually gonna go past him. Okay, there was no one there. Okay, he's over there. That's where this other guy is. Ah, he's scared. He's scared, boys. Should we be scared? Oh, well, we're now in the open. That's wonderful. Are we really gonna have a loot lake finish? Oh, it's a 1v1, boys! It's a 1v1. I think he's behind his tree. Yes, he is. We know where he is. Oh, let's go get him. There's nowhere to hide, buddy. There's nowhere to hide. Oh, he's healing. He's healing. Got him! Woo! That's how you do it, boys. Bye! Put a little salt in that wind. Alright. Dab on him and remind him what we did. Boys, I'm sorry we didn't get more kills for such a high explosive mode. But you know what? Thanks again for checking in with us. Go ahead and leave a like on the video if you enjoyed this great content. We got our Victory Royale in our new special mode. And you know what? Hit us up again for more games like this. We out, y'all. Bye.